Hi students, this is Tanvi from Oliboard and today I am going to discuss about new pattern coding decoding. Now this is another important topic of your RBI Grade B examination. So today we are going to discuss the approach that how we have to handle such questions. So if you see in your exam that sometimes they are going to give you this format of question where there will be 3 or 4 or sometimes 5 statements and they are given as some codes. Okay, so what here we have to do is we have to understand that how this 8 star Y comes, how this 7 question mark L comes, how the 6 hash H comes. Okay, so we have to understand the whole logic. So what is the process to start such questions? Okay, what should be the proper sequence of steps that we have to follow here? So either you're going to focus on the number or the alphabet or the symbol. So if I focus on the number, it is always better to first focus on the number. So just by your focus will be on the answer rather than the question. You just keep on looking at the answer and keep on thinking that how this answer could come. Okay, and here if you check all the numbers, these are like 8, 7, 6, 6, 9, 7, 6, 4, 5, 6. So just by looking at these numbers, how can I get this number from a word? What could be the logic that has been used in the word with which we are getting the numbers of the range 5, 6, 7? So what clicks in our mind is it could be the number of alphabets in a given word. Okay, so when you get the numbers in the range of 5, 6, 7, so that suggests here it might be the number of elements. Okay, number of alphabets in the word. Okay, so here the only problem is we do not know the logic here. Second thing, we do not know that this 8 star Y is answer of which word, whether it is most or safety or high or level. We are not sure about that. So first, if we are looking for the numbers, so what we understand here is that it might be the number of alphabets in the word. So let's check that. Is it possible? So in most you have 4 alphabets, in safety you have 6 alphabets, in high you have 4, in level you have 5. And in your numbers, if you find you have 8, 7, 6, 6. So how is this possible? Because they are not same. But if you check, if you have 4 2 times, so here you have 6 2 times. Okay, if you have 6, then plus 2, here you have 8. Then if you have 5, then here plus 2, it has 7. So number, how we are getting the number? Number is your number of alphabets plus 2. Okay, so now the problem starts. Next step, you have to be very careful here. What you have to do is just match the word with its answer with the help of the number. That is going to help you to solve the question further. This is the only best method that can be used. Okay, so here just match the numbers with the word, with your words. Okay, because number we know it is the rule of number of alphabets plus 2. So here we know that safety have how many alphabets? It have 6. So this will be matched with 8 star Y. Now we know that answer of the word safety is 8 star Y. Okay, if I match level, so this is 5 alphabets, so 5 will be matched with 7. Okay, now here you have post, it have 4 alphabets, so 4 plus 6, 4 plus 2 will be 6. So just pick the random words. Okay, so when you match them, what you realize, see, it is always the number which you people can decode in the starting, then it is always the alphabet, and in the last you are going to know the rule for the symbol. This is not a fixed process, but this happens in most of the questions. Okay, so here first we check the number and we got to know the rule for that. Now if I want to check the alphabet, what is the logic behind the alphabet? So in post you have T, here also you have T, but this can be looked upon only if you are going to match the word with the answer. Okay, safety is matched with 8Y and level is matched with L7. So this suggests what is the number? Number is the number of alphabets in a word plus 2. What is the alphabet? It is the last alphabet of the given word. Now how we should approach the symbol? Okay, so just listen it well. How we are going to approach the symbols? Just mark all the symbols that are same. So like if I focus on star, here I have star. In second statement, we do not have star. In third statement, we have star. In fourth statement, we have star. Okay, so I'm just marking the answer which have the presence of symbol star. Okay, now we do not know the logic for the star, but at least we can know that which word is answered as star. Okay, so here it is the word with the end of Y, with the last alphabet Y, which is safety. Here the word which is ending with T. Okay, so it is also 5 here because there are two words that are ending with T. It is set and list. Okay, also it is 5. So 5 suggests that number of alphabets will be 3. So the word is set. Okay, next you have 6 hash E. So the last should be E. Okay, so here you have large and sale. Okay, these are the words. It's large and sale. Okay, so out of large and sale, what will be the word? Because it has 6. So 6 means the number of alphabets will be 4 because 4 plus 2 had become 6. Okay, so 4 alphabets are there in the word sale. So what we find the similarity? What is the similarity between safety, set and sale? It is the first alphabet, which is S. So this is the method to decode the symbol. Okay, you should always, so the tips for this question is that you should always look for the answer and keep on thinking, how can I get this answer? Okay, and second thing, if you want to decode any element, just mark the same symbol in your whole question and mark the words which are answered as that symbol even without knowing the logic of the symbol. Okay, so just by looking at the number and alphabet, at least you are going to mark the words which are getting answered as the same symbol. Okay, and then you can find the similarity between them. So now we understand here in this question that number represent number of alphabets plus 2, alphabet represents the last alphabet. Okay, and the symbol represents the first alphabet. Okay, symbol represents the first alphabet. Okay, so if the first alphabet is S, then that word will be coded as star. Okay, if the first alphabet is L, so let us check for that. Here it is level 5 plus 2 7. So with 7 you have question mark. So it will be coded as question mark. Okay, and here if I check P, if the first alphabet is P, so project have how many alphabets? It have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 plus 2 will be 9. So 9 is accompanied with @. So P will be coded as @. So this is how you have to solve this question. Now I want all of you to comment me the answer for the word schedule. Okay, I want you all to answer me for the word schedule, that how this word will be decoded following the same logic as given in the question. So with this we end the class. I hope you all understood how we have to approach the question of new pattern coding decoding. Thank you so much.